I would like to introduce you to HSI Sensing's latest innovation, the Sentinel High Security Sensor. This sensor is UL 634 Level 2 certified, which requires it to be both mechanically and magnetically tamper resistant. I'll be giving an overview of its operation, its security features, and different models currently available. Here we have our demo unit. It is a side exit and metal jacketed cable version hooked into our handheld test module. The sensor itself is on the top and is simulating being mounted to a door frame. The actuator aligned below it is simulating being mounted to a door. Standard mounting allows for a 0 to 3/16 inch air gap. When aligned properly, the test module displays green for secure. As the door swings open, moving the actuator away from the sensor, it transmits an insecure signal. When the door closes, it becomes secure once more. One of the tamper-resistant features of the Sentinel High Security Sensor is that it must be able to detect if it is being magnetically tampered with and transmit a unique tamper signal. In standard security sensors, you can bring an additional magnet in to hold the sensor closed, allowing you to gain access through an entry point without triggering an alarm. As you can see here, the Sentinel detects any foreign magnet or steel interfering with the sensor. The primary thing that sets the Sentinel apart from all other high security sensors on the market is the technology utilized within the sensor. It's not a triple biased or balanced magnetic switch. Instead, inside is an array of solid-state sensors monitoring 12 magnetic profiles across all three axes, controlled by a microprocessor. It is a logic-driven, programmable security sensor. It has built-in protection against lightning, ESD, EMI, and other electrical nuisances. There is also room to embed additional resistors to offer increased security if needed. In addition to the left or right exit metal jacketed cable version, we also have a rear wire exit version. On the bottom of the sensor and top of the actuator, there are two targets that must be facing one another for the sensor to function properly. Another key tamper-resistant feature of the Sentinel High Security Sensor is that it must be able to detect if someone is trying to physically remove the sensor from the door frame. In standard security sensors, you can insert a spacer, tape the actuator and sensor together, unscrew them from the door frame and door, and gain access through the entry point without triggering an alarm. As you can see here, the Sentinel has a keyed tamper plate that is mounted to the frame separate from the sensor. If you try to remove the sensor from the frame, there is a dedicated sensor monitoring this action and a tamper signal will be transmitted. I hope you enjoyed this detailed overview of the Sentinel High Security Sensor. If you have any additional questions, please comment below or you can email us directly to info@hsisensing.com.